Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be removing the steering wheel airbag from a Peugeot 4007 as well as the steering wheel. And without further ado, let's get into our main tutorial. Here we have the steering wheel with the steering wheel airbag still on the steering column. On the sides there will be two torque screws. First we will unscrew them a little bit until they become loose. The trick to this one is to keep unscrewing as you put pressure onto the steering wheel airbag, because even when you unscrew it loose, the airbag is not detached. So first we're going to unscrew them and make them loose on both sides of the steering wheel. I believe these were T30 torque screws. And then so we're just going to keep unscrewing and put pressure onto the steering wheel airbag as we unscrew. That's the trick to this one. Even if you think it's completely loose, it won't come out. So apply pressure and then over here keep unscrewing and then it'll just pop out, as you can see. And then we need to unplug the clock spring from the airbag. You pull the top part and then you pull the bottom part out. So putting it back in, I'll show you again. So the second part, you pull that one out to unclip it and then it'll be detached. Next, the steering wheel itself is held on by a 17mm nut, and we'll unscrew that and you will just need to wriggle that one out. There's no trick to it, it's just wriggling the steering wheel, and that's pretty much how you remove the steering wheel airbag with the steering wheel as well. I hope you have found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.